Hi, my name's Ross. I'm from Dr. Allen's Rooms, Hair Transplant Australia. So originally the way we found eye catchers was we had an architect that originally did the design concept for us. Then we went out to tender to find a builder. We came across eye catchers. We met Antonio and he advised us or let us know what eye catcher was about. They had an entire design team. We thought it might be a good opportunity to relook at the design concept that we did. So we wanted to create something a little bit warmer and inviting for our patients for their first introduction of walking into a surgery room. So after eye catchers came in, they actually completely changed the concept for us. They recreated a reception desk, they added stone, they created this seating area for the patients. They've done flooring, lighting, they've done signage to tie in with also the lighting concept. Dr. Allen's office, custom-made desk for Dr. Allen, and carpet. So the entire process, once Antonio came in, we had 1 week to do the entire fit out due to our theatre schedule. They started on a Friday afternoon with all the demo first. They worked all the way through the weekend into the evening to ensure that we had operational for the next Monday. Eye Catchers is flexible, innovative and trustworthy. In my career I've done many fit outs from small scale to $2 million fit outs. I would 100% recommend Eye Catchers. What they said they were going to deliver, they delivered. I have no hesitation to recommend Eye Catchers to anyone who is looking for any kind of design, fit out concept for their business.